Today is January 31st, 2025, and I have booted into Bookworm PUP64 on my main computer. Today I thought what I'll do is go through how to add another PuppyLInux to a computer with a UEFI PC BIOS into the hard drive. So this applies if you have a PuppyLInux already installed and booted into it, and also have a separate save partition. So if you just want to quickly look at the partition, second partition in my case, with all the PuppyLInux, I have several puppies that I can boot into. Some are 32-bit, but mostly 64-bit. But I have a Bionic PUP32, I have Jamie PUP32 bit, but today we'll be installing FocalPup32 into this mix. PuppyLInux can also access my external hard drive, and we'll go through that via soft link, and that's very useful. Now, to install FocalPup32, first thing we want to do is fire up FocalPup installer, and we go through settings and separate save location, and also click on use autosave and OK, and then go to Puppy, and then we need to get the FocalPup32 ISO, so OK, and then I have it in the external hard drive, and we'll go to Linux, ISOs, and FocalPup32 is right here. I'll leave a link as to where you can download this PuppyLInux under the description. So we have it. And now what we want to do is go to OK, and then Pups in a second. We want to install it here, and then we'll make a folder, FocalPup32, enter, return here, and then OK. And then it wants to know where the separate save partition is. We'll go to SAB, third partition here. OK. And then we're gonna put it under save folder. OK and OK. So that's all OK. We wanted to go ahead and create the FocalPup32. OK, and let's just take a quick look at Pups. Here is a FocalPup32 that's been created. So that's all ready to go, and what we want to do is go to the boot, and that's where all the puppies are on us. So that's all OK. Here's the one we installed. OK, and then we want to overwrite the grub. OK, and then this will contain both 64 and 32. We in this case, so we want to just highlight the first one. OK and OK. OK, so it's already done, and we'll just close everything. I've logged into FocalPup32 here, and I've also installed a simple screen recorder, so I can record this, and it's being recorded into external hard drive. So So here a quick setup screen. I've put in America, Los Angeles, and time from internet, and we'll give it an OK. And it will synchronize our clock with each time starts, and then we'll just go ahead and cancel everything at this point, and then we'll Alt F4 to close this. Now what I would recommend is before, when you make a save folder, that you enable all the hard drives, unless there's a particular reason not to. So what we'll do is we'll just click on one of these, and then right click on any of these, and then run Puppy pmount Puppy drive mounter, and then we'll go ahead and mount partition at boot, and then save partition will automatically be mounted after the first, and then we'll go ahead and refresh, and then also we'll mount this on boot. The reason that it's a good idea to do that is because we want to be able to access music and the photo files that's an external hard drive seamlessly. So what we can do is go ahead and open up this here in the rocks, and minus key to make it smaller, and here we'll minus key again, and then here is the root, and this is external hard drive. So I'm gonna just drag music and my left key, mouse cursor, and then just let go, and then we want to link it relative. Okay, similarly you want to do exactly the same with pictures or documents or whatever you need to access seamlessly. So in this way you can just click on pictures, for example, and get to all the photos that's in another partition, and this is very helpful. That way this partition can be accessed. The external hard drive can be accessed by any PuppyLInux that you have installed, and I've already set it up that way. So from my root level, I can always access all that's Control H. Control H again, we'll just toggle it, and then minus sign. So you can access music and photos and whatever easier just by using that simple link with any of the PuppyLInux. So all the PuppyLInux I have, you can access this hard drive partition that exactly same way. I think what we'll do is we'll go ahead and boot it one time here, and then we want to make sure that it gets saved. So, but let me continue on after we reboot it. Just one more thing that I noticed, that grub file needs to be reconfigured to much simpler way. So usually I like to get set timeout a little bit longer, and then right now it's it has a long menu entry, so I'll just make it a BP32, and then here is, I'm just getting the name from here. Okay, so NK BW NKB, and here we can go ahead and just make it a CE. That's a 64-bit Puppy CE4. This is the this is FocalPup32, and this is JP32, and this is NP, this is 64, and this is VP, Vanilla Pup, and this is Vanilla Pup, and above should be Void Pup, VO, and I don't need these. Advanced menu, I don't need it, so we'll just go ahead and then we'll go ahead and reboot and continue on. And I'll take a picture of the grub, new grub screen. I have rebooted, obviously, after first creating first save folder. So let's just take a look at the save folder, and we'll open this up. This is and then minus key, and then here's a save folder, and this is the save folder that's created with the first boot.